Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix this. See how this thing came off with the camera? See how this thing came off? This part here came off from this part, so we're going to take the whole thing out, empty the dish rack. Alright, good news to the company that I bought this from off eBay for, I think it was $8, so 8 something for a pair of them. And it came in like in 2 days. It's very fast. Here's the thing that broke off, the part that broke off right there. So we're gonna remove this again and we're gonna repair it now. So slide it out a little bit, so you have access to this stopper over here. So push this part, slide it out. So push in here, push that in, and it'll slide out. Just don't lose them. Now you can remove the tray. And you see where that part broke off? The part that broke off. So we only need to replace this one. I got the pair anyway, just in case it breaks again, so I have a backup. And it's the right kind. I'll put a link in the description below. I'll put the model of the dishwasher too that I have here. So if you have the same problem, it's easy for you to look. So we're going to remove this one. Gotta close this. Alright, first thing you need to do is make sure this thing is fully extended. So push this down, slide it. Yeah, so you see that? This little lever here. Push it down and push it. And take it. Now it's fully extended. Next, this one here, the one that is short, there's a little tab here. Push that with your screwdriver. So to release it. There you go, it came out. And turn it this way. Get out. Alright, for this clip right here, the one that's still attached to this bar over here, whatever you want to call it, just push it down and it should come out. There you go. For this one right here, just push it down and run it through the back. There's a little thing that holds it. Come on, right here. So get it all the way down and it'll come off. Orientation this way. I remove this cover plate over here. Just depress this little thing here, pry it open. Without breaking, of course. There you go. And it came off. That was easy. Now at the last piece, you see these 2 tabs over here? Just gently pry it out. Make sure you don't break it because the kit doesn't come with it. This one's gonna be a pain in the butt. Notice it's always the last one that's always give us problem for people that are fixing stuff. There you go. So don't, anything that you remove from here, I should have said it in the video earlier, be careful because it only comes with this piece here, nothing else. So it's on the sport spot, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just, if you're not sure, just keep that there. Don't take it out yet. That way you know where to put the replacement. So here's the replacement. Just put it there. It's in the sport spot. There. Now you don't have to count. Now we're gonna put everything back in reverse. So I'm gonna put this one back. The one that, oh, not this one. So that's the last one that we took out. We're gonna put it back in there. It's locked now. Next thing is this one right here, the lever. Right there. Let me show you the back. Alright, now that's in. See, it locks. Before you put the cover, you see, push that and it'll go back out in. Okay, so that's correct. That's correct. See, it won't move. See? If you did it wrong, then you won't do it. You won't do that. So we're doing this in reverse. So now we're gonna put this back. Cover plate. Alright, so we're gonna put this back. Now, if you're not unsure about the orientation, check the other side. See the other side? Try, you only do one at a time. That way, if you're not sure, you can check the other side before you do one, before you take it out. Right, so. Getting cramps. All right, test this before we do anything else. Push. All right, that's done. Next, this one. I don't remember which one is which though. Was it this side? I think it was on this side. Yeah. So. Yeah, you see this thing here? This little camera, where are you? There. You see this thing here? So, the little T here, put that in that little T. Then it's in. Reverse it. And push this in. Now that's stable. On the other side, you can lock this. When we took it out, we bit sideways, so do sideways on this thing too. Wiggle it. There you go. It's in. And my camera is blinking red now. Now it's locked. Now push this back on. Now we can put it back. Now we're done with that. I'm not gonna replace. Like I said, I'm not gonna replace this one because it's still good. So we're gonna put it back. This part here goes in the back. Put the wheels into the railing. Go. Now to put this back, push this a little bit and it'll lock in. Let me zoom in on one of them. So align the hole here, align that. I don't know if I can do it from this side. Let's see. Now push this a little bit, push it in, there you go. Now it's locked, not gonna get it out, okay. Not gonna come up. Do the other side too. There it is. So what I did, see these two tabs here? It goes into the hole here in the middle. And push this a little bit. The same way you take it out, and it should lock. Now it's locked. You know. This thing prevents it from falling off. The tray from falling off. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.